Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I am going to discuss about the AIB examinations, questions papers with the descriptive answers and any judicial preparation examinations. So just we'll see that what are the questions asked. That is the pattern is 2023. So already done the courses and then we'll see the next. I'm going to discuss about the AIB 17 set 2023 Judicial Services multiple type questions with the descriptive answers. The first question is, who is known as father of public interest litigation in India? So first is Justice A.N. Rai, Justice B. Y.V. Chandrachud, C is Justice R.S. Pathak, D is Justice P.N. Bhagwati. So what is the right answer? So right answer is D. Justice P.N. Bhagwati, he was the Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India and he only introduced the public interest litigation in India. So we'll see the next questions. Two is, which of the following categories of case will not be entertained as public interest litigation PIL? So first is family pension. Second, B is petitions from right victims. C is neglected children. And D is a landlord tenant matter. So what is the right answer? Right answer is landlord tenant matters. Why? Because family pensions related to be the group of the people. Petitions from the right victim also is considering any kind of society, any kind of groups. Neglected children also neglected in the society. So it also considered as a groups in the society. So D is a kind of is individuals. So it will not come the under the PIL. So we'll see the next questions. Third is meaning of OD alterum pattern. So A is a person cannot be condemned without being heard. B number, an adjudicating authority must give a speaking order. C is no man can be judged in his own case. D is no one should be fear the courts. So what is the meaning of OD alterum patterns? So will be the right answer is A. A is what is telling a person cannot be condemned without being heard. Condemned means any kind of is the person is not committed kind of any offenses or it is not kind of declared by the court the person is offender or the person is committed the kind of any uh, cases. So the and the opportunity will be given to the persons to prove or not prove the kind of particular offenses to the kind of who are the get a defender. So particular this will be the and B is adjudicating authority must give a speaking order. So it is not related to kind of any authority they will give this speaking order. It is the kind of that the the opportunity should be given to hear the persons what the situations that was gone through with them. And sees no man can be judged in his own case. There is a no person is a judge, or he can make a kind of any right or wrong informations, or kind of can deliver the any wrong situations. D, no one should fear the courts. The opportunity for the everyone to come to court, and there should not be any kind of discriminations to uh, the persons who is willing to get a justice in the court. So next is 4. The Gloucester's Grammar School's case is a landmark case based on which of the following maxims? So first is damnum sine injuria. B is injuria sine damnum. C is a voleti non fit injuria. D is odi alterum pattern. So which is the correct? So the correct answer is A. Damnum sine injuria. Damnum means like a damage. Sine means without. Damage without injury. Injuria sine damnum means injury without damage. So the damages happened in the kind of physically, or kind of any monetary, or any kind of any places, or any kind of uh, movable or immovable properties. C is volati non-fit injuria. So this will be means that any kind of torts, it is not wrong. It is kind of any torts happen, any kind of the like any kind of earthquake, or any tree is there, or it is fall down, and the tree's owner is that person's. So whether that person is eligible to be um, punishment or not. So that decided in the voluntary and fit injury type of the cases. And next is the audi alterum pattern. Already we discussed the person should be heard from the their evidence kind of, or any statements should be heard. So this is the right answer, terminum A, sign injury. Next is 5. Uniform Civil Code in India is A. Fundamental rights. B is directive principles of state policies. C is government policies. Or D is a constitutional rights. What is the correct answers? So correct answers will be B. Directive principles of state policies. Uniform Civil Code in India, that is the personal laws we have, like a kind of religions kind of like a maintenance kind of, or matrimony kind of, any maintenance kind of adoptions kind of, to be taken care by the directive principles of state policies. That will come under the uniform civil code in India. So what is here fundamental rights, here is a constitutional right. What is the difference? Fundamental rights where the persons have individuals rights to do, and constitutional rights where that the where that the government or the state giving the some limitations or rights to the citizens, and the government policies having the so many like a tax, other related, having that to be followed. So this how you will be understood. We have discussed about all the questions and with the descriptives answers. I hope it will be understood for you. Thanks so much.